Hey, YouTube fam! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some exciting news for all you creative minds out there. If you've ever dreamt of turning your wildest imaginations into reality, then you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest tech updates and creative hacks. Now let's get down to business. Have you heard about DALL-E 3? If you haven't, you're in for a mind-blowing experience. DALL-E 3 is the latest innovation in the world of artificial intelligence, brought to you by the brilliant minds at OpenAI. It's a revolutionary tool that lets you generate mind-bending images using nothing but your imagination and a few simple prompts. But here's the kicker: for a limited time only, DALL-E 3 is absolutely free to use. That's right, folks. You heard it correctly. Free. But, and there's always a but, this incredible offer won't last forever. So if you're itching to unleash your creativity and see what this cutting-edge AI can do for you, you better act fast before it switches to a paid model. Imagine creating stunning visuals, unique characters, or even entire worlds with just a few clicks. DALL-E 3 is here to make your artistic dreams a reality, and the best part is you can try it out right now without spending a dime. So, what are you waiting for? The clock is ticking, and this free offer won't stick around forever. Click that link in the description. Give DALL-E 3 a whirl, and let your imagination run wild. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Exploring DALL-E 3's prompts and realism. DALL-E 3 introduces an exciting dimension to AI-generated content by efficiently handling diverse prompts. The model's ability to respond to nuanced prompts contributes to the realism of the generated images. For instance, when prompted with a photograph of a man with a beard taking a picture, DALL-E 3 produced results that, while maintaining a degree of painterly aesthetics, exhibited a remarkable semblance to a real photograph. This prompts us to delve deeper into the model's capacity to interpret complex scenarios and generate visuals that align with the intricacies of the given input. The realism test allows us to evaluate how well DALL-E 3 captures the essence of real-world scenarios. By testing it with prompts that require attention to detail and accuracy, we gain insights into its potential applications in various fields such as design, art, and even forensics. As we continue to explore and refine the prompts, we can anticipate even more sophisticated and authentic outputs from this cutting-edge AI model. DALL-E 3's handling of celebrity faces and unexpected humor. One of the standout features of DALL-E 3 is its remarkable ability to handle celebrity faces within generated images. By prompting scenarios such as Larry David playing tennis against Serena Williams, the model showcases its versatility in creating visually engaging and entertaining content. The cartoon versions add a playful touch, demonstrating DALL-E 3's capability to adapt its style to diverse subjects and settings. Additionally, the model's propensity for producing unexpected and humorous results adds an intriguing dimension to the AI-generated content. For instance, when prompted with Mr. Beast dropping chocolate bars from a helicopter, the model didn't precisely replicate Mr. Beast, but delivered a whimsical scene involving chocolate bars and a helicopter. This element of unpredictability contributes to the model's charm and showcases its capacity to infuse creativity and humor into generated visuals. DALL-E 3's impact on the AI landscape and future expectations. The integration of DALL-E 3 into Microsoft Bing's image creator marks a significant milestone in the democratization of advanced AI capabilities. As more users gain access to this powerful tool, we can anticipate a surge in creativity and innovative use cases across various domains. The potential expansion of DALL-E 3 into chat environments further hints at a future where users can seamlessly alter and create images within interactive conversational interfaces. Looking ahead, the combination of DALL-E 3 with vision models presents a tantalizing prospect for the AI landscape. The ability to integrate image generation and vision models promises a dynamic interplay, allowing users to manipulate and refine images in real time. This could revolutionize content creation, providing users with a unique and interactive toolset to bring their ideas to life. Wirestock sponsorship and the role in AI-generated imagery distribution. The sponsorship segment highlights the importance of platforms like Wirestock in the ecosystem of AI-generated imagery. Wirestock not only provides a convenient avenue for distributing AI-generated images to stock photo websites, but also offers valuable insights through their WirePix newsletter. The discount code provided in the sponsorship encourages users to explore premium features, enhancing their experience in the world of stock photo sales. The impact of AI-generated imagery on stock photo sales is evident, with Wirestock reporting increased sales of AI-generated images. The sponsorship emphasizes the growing market for such content and positions Wirestock as a key player in facilitating the distribution and monetization of AI-generated visuals, encouraging user exploration and collaboration. DALL-E 3 is not just a tool, it's an invitation to explore the boundaries of AI-generated imagery. The segment encourages users to unleash their creativity and experiment, with DALL-E 3 on Bing Image Creator and Bing Shot. The call for user feedback and collaboration fosters a sense of community exploration, where diverse perspectives contribute to a deeper understanding of the model's capabilities. By encouraging users to share their experiences and creations, the video promotes a collaborative exploration of DALL-E 3. This collective engagement holds the potential to uncover novel use cases, refine the model's performance, and inspire a community of creators to push the boundaries of AI-generated content. Closing thoughts: the endless possibilities with DALL-E 3. In conclusion, DALL-E 3 is not just a tool for generating images. It's a catalyst for innovation and creativity. The exploration of its prompts, handling of celebrity faces, unexpected humor, and integration into platforms like Microsoft Bing opens up endless possibilities. As users continue to engage with and refine the model, the future promises even more advanced applications, shaping the landscape of AI-generated content creation. DALL-E 3 invites us to reimagine what is possible in the realm of artificial intelligence, and the journey has only just begun. Exciting news! Don't miss out on the creative revolution with DALL-E 3. Unleash your imagination for free before it turns paid. Dive into the world of limitless possibilities, where your ideas come to life with stunning visuals. Don't wait. Try DALL-E 3 now and experience the magic firsthand. Hurry, this exclusive free offer won't last forever. Subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge tools and stay ahead in the creative game. Remember, innovation waits for no one. Click, create, and share your masterpiece today.